Welcome to AtourX Hotel Xi'an Bell Tower Metro Station, and for the quickest way to secure your stay, simply scan the QR code on your screen or check the description below for the direct booking link. If you're looking for a modern, high-value base for your trip to Xi'an, this is a fantastic option. This 4-star property was built just last year in 2023, meaning the facilities are fresh, clean, and designed with contemporary standards in mind. The hotel features 111 elegantly furnished rooms, each specifically crafted to provide a quiet and comfortable retreat from the city's energy. Whether you are traveling for business or exploring the historic landmarks of Xi'an, these rooms offer the perfect balance of style and functionality. One of the biggest practical advantages here is the location. Situated right near the Bell Tower metro station, you are positioned in the heart of the city, making it incredibly easy to navigate the local sites. Plus, if you are arriving by air, the hotel is just a 60-minute journey from the airport, which is quite convenient for a smooth transition into your trip. For those who value staying active while traveling, the hotel offers a state-of-the-art fitness center that is open 24 hours a day. This is a huge plus for travelers with irregular schedules or those who simply don't want to miss their daily workout. To keep you fueled for your adventures, a delicious breakfast is included, helping you start your day right without the stress of searching for a cafe first thing in the morning. If you are traveling with family, AtourX Hotel provides excellent value. Their child policy is very accommodating, allowing children aged 1 to 12 to stay free of charge, which can make a significant difference in your overall travel budget. Check-in begins at noon, and you can enjoy a relaxed checkout until 12:10 p.m., giving you that extra bit of breathing room on your final day. In summary, if you want a brand new hotel that combines modern hospitality, central access to the metro, and great family-friendly policies, AtourX Hotel Xi'an Bell Tower Metro Station is a smart choice for your next visit. Don't forget to scan the QR code or click the link in the description to book your room today.